Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today our video is driving video where I tell you how to drive on the slope, like how to take your car up and hill, okay, or on the slope, and how to take your car down to the slope. So guys, any of you have a problem in driving up and hill or downhill, this video will be much useful to you, okay? It can also help you in controlling and balancing the brake and petrol, and of course the steering wheel. I know some students have some fear, when they are driving up the slope, down the slope, they have fear, but this fear you can take it out from you, with the practice. Trust yourself while you're driving. Trust yourself, okay? It is easy. I know sometimes the slope up, the view is not clear to you, but you have to stay on that line, and then you have to follow the line. There is line, there is like what you are seeing now. I'm driving up the slope, okay? So I'll keep right line, and then I have to press the petrol, okay, while I'm driving up, okay? And my steering, I have to controlling. I'm not going to turn to the half turning, or no, just only quarter. Follow the line and press the petrol, okay? So your car going up. All right, it is easy with the practice. Believe me, it will you become more better. Just trust yourself, okay? That's only for up. Just use the petrol, okay? Don't use brake, okay? So when you are going down slope, okay, it will become different, okay? You have to controlling between the brake and the petrol, okay, and the steering also, of course. While you are driving down, okay, you keep your feet on the brake, okay? You keep your feet on the brake, okay? But don't press the brake hard, I mean, press a little bit slowly, just for to move like 20 30 speed is okay. And then while you are going to the left side narrow road, you can turn just quarter, okay? Don't turn fully left, or and follow the line step by step. You can control with your speed with the brake while you are turning, okay? When the road already straight like that, it's okay. Also, you keep your feet in the brake, but not hard, no, right? So in this way, with the practice, inshallah, you will know more about the how to drive up the slope or down slope, okay? You need to try to go to some places like this, up slope, okay, down slope. You have to practice for these things, okay? So inshallah, with the days, with the time, you will be much better. You will be more skilled, Alright guys, thank you for watching. See you inshallah another video, okay? Just try to tell instructors take you somewhere like this kind of the slope, okay, and narrow road also. It will help you. Alright, okay guys, thank you for watching. Keep practicing always. See you inshallah another video, okay?
King of the road.